Hello, beautiful people. I am reviewing the Roche-Posay Laboratory Dermatologique Pigment Clair Cream Mousse. It's a brightening foam cream cleanser which contains LH, which is, I believe, lipohydroxy acid to help shed dark skin cells from the skin surface. The face wash is rich and easy to use. It has a great foaming texture. You can use it daily as a brightening cleanser for visible dark spots and uneven skin tone and texture. I have some hyperpigmentation on my cheeks from being out in the sun. It's a great product. It's actually recommended by 25,000 dermatologists worldwide, and Roche-Posay offers unique daily skincare developed using a strict formulation charter and stringent clinical testing for efficacy, safety, even on sensitive skin. So basically, it's a brightening foaming cleanser for dark spots, gentle non-particle exfoliating cleansing for even more radiant skin. Used to be called Mela D, MELA-D cleanser. It has a new name, but the same effective formula. And the packaging can vary on this product here. The benefit is that skin clarity is enhanced and looks brighter and smoother. Skin is more radiant and even toned. Suggested use is morning and evening. Lather with water, massage face gently, rinse thoroughly with water. I've been using this for about 3 years. My husband uses it as well. I think it keeps me looking young. I do a lot of work on my skin to keep myself looking young. I don't have any wrinkles under my eyes. This one is, I think, 4.2 ounces. Here it's used morning and evening. Lather with water and apply. Massage gently with the water and gently rinse with water. And it is paraben free. So yeah, it's 4.2 ounces, 125 milliliters. This should last you a good 4 months. I always keep a backup, but this one I've been using for about a month and really haven't gone through a ton. And this is 2 people using this. So I highly recommend this. Like I said, you barely have to use a pea size, and see the tube is about the size of my hand. It's not drying. It's moisturizing. It just gives your skin a nice kick in the pants. So I'm going to bring it into the bathroom, and I'm going to show you how it foams up. Okay, so my hand is wet here. I'm going to put a little bit more than a pea size on there and show how nice and creamy and foamy it starts to get. It has a nice scent. I'm not exactly sure what the scent is, but you can see that I can see how much just that small amount covers. And add a little bit more water to it. You see how it's nice and foamy. It's nice and gentle and soft. Like I said, it has a really pleasant smell. So I can wash my whole hand with it, actually. You can use it on your neck, your décolletage, and those are 2 places that are neglected a lot when you're washing your face. But look at this. This is covering up to almost my elbow. And that's just that small little pea size amount. And you want to rub in circles, and you want to wash with circular motion and upwards. That's always what you want to do. A side benefit of this is that it actually cleans my wedding ring. It keeps it really sparkly, which is nice. And it's just a nice product. It's just so foamy and easy to use. And so I'm going to rinse it off now. I said that one little pea-sized amount, or a little bit larger than a pea, gets it nice and clean. The skin feels nice and clean. It feels good. It's moisturizing. I highly recommend it. 5 stars out of 5 stars. And you can see my diamond is nice and clean too. So don't take my word for it. Try it yourself. It's wonderful to keep in your beauty arsenal and use daily, morning and night. It's definitely helped with my hyperpigmentation on my cheeks, so give it a try. The Roche-Posay Pigment Clair, formerly Mela D, and it's the Brightening Foam Cleanser Cream with LHA, and it's 4.2 ounces, so give it a try, and thanks so much for watching.